notes in your field notes. Look and see how it's changed now.
I think that it could have been a bird that was seeing if we were trying to touch its nest.
Yeah, because would it want us around their nest boxes?
No.
The Chapman Outdoor Learning Lab is an opportunity for kids to learn inside and outside of the classroom. We wanted an authentic experience for them to learn about research, learn about the world around them, and we thought what better way to do that than merging and intersecting the library to the outdoors.
The way that this all started is Patty Vetter, who's my library aide here, gave me a bird feeder to put up at my house. And then my kids just got so into it. And I saw the wonder in my kids and I was like, ooh, there's so much research here. And I was like, this can translate in the classroom. This is what we want. We want this deep learning. We want the thinking. This is what it's about. These are the skills that they need to be successful, to be innovative. This is what our world needs right now to be change makers. It's been really cool for the kids to be such an active part of their learning. There's so many connections there and there's so much to work with and so much innovation. We're so excited about this, and if we can tie these things together and make these connections, that's what makes learning deep. This just all came together so organically. It's just a lot of really generous, kind people. This is what library is, using these resources, developing this thinking, using experts. They'll see these things more in the future. They'll be making connections. And really what's happening is they're developing these STEM mindsets at a really young age.
We all know the power of hands-on learning. To learn something, you want to touch it, you want to feel it, you want to use all the senses. That happens here on a daily basis. Kids are walking around nature, observing, collecting, studying, talking to one another. When I think about the well-rounded education for all children in our school, I think about students that get to go outside and research. This is hard to learn in a book sometimes. It is easy for them to learn and to become excited about this kind of learning when we take them outside.